Hi all. Vincent's just setting up the mixer so I can get cracking again on the wall. So yeah, we're just backfilling at the moment. So we're going to do a section at a time. I'm just going to make myself comfortable. 1 minute. Oh, the sun is shining. It's great, isn't it? Absolutely fabulous. And Buzzy's crying, and I can't let him out because he did a lot of running yesterday, and his leg's a bit sore. So yeah, he's gonna have to cry for a bit, unfortunately. So yeah, I've done a lot of backfill round there. It's getting there. It gets a bit boring, you know. But yeah, it's getting there. So I'm pleased with that. So can't wait to show you the finish. There seems to be more dust. Spray this just in so it's nice. We've got the grandson in the background so you'll hear him. I'll introduce him, he's helping us. So you see, like I'm scraping. Just scrape. You see all those nice colours coming through. Little granite stones there. And again, when you're pointing up, don't worry about the little snottings, as we call them, because you'll be scraping that off, like so. Are you busy, Kaysen?
Yeah.
Yeah? Jeez. You're going to come and say hello to all the viewers? Oh, here he comes. Hello to everyone.
Hello, everyone.
And what's your name?
Kaysen.
Kaysen. That's right. Bye. Break time. So like I said, I've scraped that bit down now, that section there. I've got to do down below yet, some filling. I've been backfilling down below. It's been 4 days, so that's why I've had to scrape that down today. I've still got up here to do. Interrupted by Kaysen and his monster truck. There we go. Show everyone what you're doing.
Look at this.
That's a microphone, isn't it?
It's a microphone.
Right. Pass me the soft brush, please.
Soft brush?
Thank you. You use the soft brush over there. Show everyone how to use it.
Look.
Hey, you're helping Grandma, right? You Kaysen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, that's it. Remember how to do it. Hand on the back and scrape. Even a 3-year-old can do it. Yeah?
Yeah.
You're helping Grandma. We're taking the fat off the wall.
Have a break.
You need to have a break. all he's been wanting is potato cakes. A woodman's breakfast. Potato cakes with a fried egg. But we're going to have that after we've done some of this, aren't we? We're going to have a break. The scrambled egg.
A scrambled egg on
fried egg.
Cake.
Yeah, fried egg and potato cake. Place your brush to pat it in. You soft brush first. That's it. Soft brush.
I have so many things.
And then where's your hard brush? Yeah. Well, you've got the other brush down there. See it? Side of your wheelbarrow.
Fine.
Your head.
Yeah.
Watch your head when you get up. Can you get it? Good man. Good man.
Thank you, Grandma, for lifting it there.
You're welcome, Kaysen. Good lad. Yeah, you pass it in. Do you know, you're such a good help.
All sorted.
All sorted. Is that done? Wow. Does it feel nice?
Yeah.
Right, tell everyone what you're doing.
I'm smacking the dirt into the wall. That's my trowel.
It is your trowel. Right. You scrape the wall.
Hey, these are shovels.
That's a trowel. We're going scraping the wall, aren't we?
Yeah.
How are you getting on? Yeah, do you need to brush it now?
No.
And pat it in. So use your 2 brushes.
To brush it
Yeah, because I'm going to do my bit in a minute. That's it. Who needs nursery when you can work with grandma? Eh? Educational this is. Can you say educational?
Yeah.
Well, go on then. Are you saying educational? Give me the brush, that one. I need that one now. Just going to brush this
I
bit.
need the soft one.
Right, you take the soft one and I'll take this one. Educational. Right, there we go.
Try this. No, I never tell.
Oh, don't be careful on there now. Seems to be wood. Old pieces of wood. Again, ladies, make sure you get an air gun or a leaf blower or whatever you've got. Just blow out the excess to wet it down. And make sure you get right in those gaps. I'm not doing there at the moment. I'll patch that up as best I can until we get the stone for there. Here I'm going to backfill now. I'll be backfilling this and then I'll start chiseling out this section and doing a little bit at a time. Buzz, do not take my glove, Buzz, thank you. I don't want to be running around the garden. I'll never get done. It's raining. Oh, it's still going, is it? That's because you've got to press the button again. Right, you manage.
No.
Can you do it? Yes, you can. You can do it. Watch yourself. I've got the team going together here. Team Porter. Hi all. Got a bit done yesterday, not a great deal. So we've had to cover, as you can see, we've had to put sheets on because of the frost. So we've got the large sheet there. So I'm about to take those down and I'm going to fill out the bottom gaps today. This is the earth wire coming from the electricity box. So I'm just cleaning around here because we've got to put a stone here anyway. Last night I noticed when we were in the sitting room, I could hear mice are getting in. So it'd been cleaned out a bit more. There were, I mean, there would have been holes in this wall anyway. So, yay. So the mices are getting in. So, like Tom and Jerry. I'll have my cat after them. So hopefully now I'm going to do the bottom part here because this is the area I heard them last night. So if I start backfilling this area now because it's ready, and I'll get Vincent to help me move some of this soil and everything away.
Hi everybody.
He's going to be a little film star himself, isn't he? Oh, you're all dressed up, aren't you? Nice and warm. Bit warmer. Yeah. You're a bit warmer dressed than yesterday. You had a great day yesterday, didn't you? His great grandma got in these bubbles from England. He's having a great time with these bubbles, aren't you? Back again. Right, so I've been hammering in small pieces of stone as well. So I've got my bucket of small pieces of sandstone. So when you're doing these gaps here, and I find like the end of the handle end of the chisel, if it's wide enough, just tap, and you'll be surprised how far it goes in. Yeah. I don't know if you're getting the terminology right. See, you'll have to bear with me. I might say things and you're thinking, eh? But, yeah. Right, so I'm going to push that in there. Again, I'm going to leave a 2-inch gap for pointing later. So the backfill's really important. You've really got to make sure it's got a great foundation for the mortar. That's well packed in now. So I promised Kason of making cupcakes. Well, he's going to bake them this afternoon. It's the afternoon. We'll be having dinner in a minute. Tomorrow I'll get more done. I've not got Kason tomorrow, so I'll get more done tomorrow. But yeah, at least I've got bits done today. Do you know what? And I got bits done yesterday. So, and he was absolutely shattered last night. So it was great. Got him in bed fairly early after his nice hot bath. He's in there. Yes, that will do in there. Let's hammer that in. Oh, again, I always use the blunt end because I don't want to break the stone. I feel like singing. Don the builder, Don the builder. Oil again. Again, go on the side. Hi, Kason. How are your bubbles doing? Nice. Do you want me to fasten it up again now? Okay. Are you going digging at your castle? Come and sit on my knee for 2 minutes. Oh. Are you going digging at your castle then? Yeah. So, how many cars have you got at your castle?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 cars.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, 5 cars. You've got lots of cars, haven't you?
Like that.
Yeah. And we've got lots of toys up at the stables, haven't we? Between getting wet and the childcare. Oh, it's great. It's great fun. Oh dear. But you won't be without them. And I tell you what, being a grandparent is great. I love it. Absolutely love it. I feel so honoured and privileged to be able to have this time with Kason, because life is too short and you need to spend time with your family and friends, and family is important to me, always has been. And I say, like you, most people, family is important.
Hey, Grandma.
Yeah.
Why is there a big top of the garbage over that?
That's to keep the lime and sand from drying out. So there's a little lid on it. We've used a metal garbage can lid on top of the mixer, and it stops any wet weather getting in, and it stops it from drying out. So good point, Kason, for everyone on YouTube. Actually, didn't pick that up off YouTube. It looks like a toilet break. Well, the gloves are going on and off, on and off. And it keeps taking me 3 times as long to do any of these. We'll get there. And I think it's meant to rain again this week. Oh, just typical, isn't it? Put small stone in here as well. Pack it. So I'm going to leave, once the back's filled, I'm going to leave about 1 inch to 2 inches, depending on how wide the stone is. So I'll leave a 2 inch depth here, because it's about 2 inches wide here. Oh no, I seem to be having a leak again. Oh, do you know, Vincent said he's going into the loft today to sort out that leak, but I think he must have just disturbed one of the pipes, because I'm about to get wet. Shocker. Off goes the gloves again. So you've really got to push it in. Really push it in. Go sideways as well, and go flat ways as well. I know I keep repeating myself, but just making sure
I
you
want
get
my
it.
bubbles.
You want your bubbles?
Yeah.
So Mr. K is here for his bubbles. Let me get the bubbles. I am doing my work. Yeah. Well, tell you what, I'm going to turn the camera around. Right, you ready? Do your bubbles. Wow! So you never work with children and animals. Well, it's a bit of fun, isn't it, Kason?
Ow.
Ow! Where did it go? Did it go in your eye? On your face? Right. Well, don't blow it with your mouth. Put it in and then waft it with your hand. That's it. That's it. Now you're doing it.
They're floating up in the sky.
They're floating up in the sky. They're going up into the atmosphere. Can you say atmosphere?
Atmosphere.
Yeah.